In this video, I'll show you how to remove the social media icons from the footer section of the Shopify password page. And for this example, I'm using Dawn theme. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account. Then on the left side of the screen, click on the online store. Now look for your current theme, in my case is Dawn. Then select three dots. Then click on Edit Code. Within the code editor in the search, just type the following: main-password-footer.liquid. Once the file is open, on line 4, look for the URL tag, which includes the class list-social. We're going to comment out all the code up until the closing URL tag, which is located on line 95, right here. Now let's scroll all the way to the top. Let's add some space above the URL tag. Open left and right curly braces, then add 2 percentage signs. In between, type comment. Now copy the tag. Scroll down and look for the closing URL tag, which is right here. Let's add some space underneath and paste it right here. And finally, instead of comment, type end comment. Once you're done, at the top right corner, click on Save. Then go back to your website and try refreshing the password page. And as you can see, the social media icons have been successfully removed from the footer section of the password page. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.